Howdy! Are you ready to create, share, spread joy by making creations that are a reflection of you? If so, stay tuned to be inspired. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick organization tip for you. It's how I store my embossing folders and my stencils. And this is just a great tool. I don't have it completely ready, and that's wonderful, so you can see how this is done. But this is a Simple Story 6x8 photo album. So when it goes on the bookshelf, it looks like a photo album, but it's my hidden storage, and I love it. Plus, when I'm ready to work with it, I can just pull it over to my workstation and flip through my book. So let me show you what I have. I have cut a 6x8 piece of cardstock, and I have put it inside the sleeve. You can use any color you want, and then I stick my embossing folders one on each side. This allows the page protector to give me two storage sleeves really in one for this, and it allows me to flip through and see my embossing folders quickly and easily. And then if I know I'm missing one, I can put it in here, because sometimes I don't always clean up my craft room. I'm a messy crafter. And then next is this holds 6x6 stencils just beautifully. And so I can get room to hold two of these on each, and they slide out very easily. If you do not invest in putting the paper in, then this is what I'm talking about. You can only put one in there. It's hard to see what it looks like because you see the other ones peeking out back behind it. So I suggest, which I'm going to do, is to cut that sheet of paper and put it in behind your stencils. And then when you're making a card, you can just bring out your stencil book. So maybe you're making a card with clouds, you can flip and get your cloud stencil. You've got your grass stencil. But having this divider in the middle really makes this book absolutely perfect. And to be able to take it, have hidden storage, and put it on my shelf is my tip of the day. If you like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be back with further tips.